What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when Xbox Game Pass games are not launching on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Your Windows Defender Firewall can often prevent games from properly launching on your PC. To troubleshoot this, open up your Windows Security app by searching for it in your Start menu search. Here, in your Firewall settings, proceed to temporarily disable your firewall and try to launch the Xbox Game Pass game again to see if this helps launching it. If the problem persists, make sure that your Windows operating system and graphics card drivers are up to date. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, then I suggest using the GeForce Experience application. AMD users can make use of the AMD Radeon software. On the GeForce Experience window, navigate to the driver section. From here, proceed to download the latest driver. This will automatically download and install the GPU driver for you. When this is done, open up your Windows settings and head to the Windows Update section. Here, click on Check for Updates and proceed to download the latest update before restarting your PC. Next, before trying to launch the game again, you should proceed to repair the Xbox app on your PC. Open up your Windows settings. In the App section, navigate to Installed Apps. Make sure to view all apps and search for Xbox. From here, click on the burger menu icon for the Xbox app to access its advanced options. Here, scroll down and click Repair. This will only take a couple of seconds to make sure that all of your Xbox app files are complete and up to date. You can then relaunch the app and make sure that the game you're looking to play is properly updated before launching it from the Xbox app. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.